Just my thoughts on the FLISSA or FLISSA, however you pronounce it, folding pocket knife. It's quite cheap, but it feels high quality. Like that's smooth. It's got a good weight to it. It's got a very sharp seatbelt cutter. It's got a tungsten glass breaker on the end. I'm not sure if it works or not. It's got a real sturdy clip on it for your belt. The blade is like razor sharp. I'm not sure how good the blade is, but I'll be testing it out to see how easily it dulls and how easy it is to sharpen. It's comfortable in the hand. It's got no hot spots at all, and I'm squeezing pretty hard there, and it's still comfortable. It's got a liner look, or linear look, liner look, or whatever it's called. But yeah, it's very smooth to open up. And this was, I can't remember what I paid for it, but it wasn't much. But it feels like the quality is up there with I've got a buck 110, and it feels like the same quality. So that's just my thoughts.